Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Lanius cristatus. Lanius cristatus, or the brown shrike. The brown shrike seems to be broken into a few subspecies these days, and I believe this one to be the Lucionensis. I hope I got that right. The Lucionensis, or otherwise known as the Philippine brown shrike. As you can see, it has a pale grey crown and a less distinct supercilium. But he still wears his black bandit mask. As with other shrikes, they're masters of mimicry, so I don't know if this loud click was mimicry or his own click. The brown shrike is a wintering visitor here, and they often return to the same locations each year. They're also highly territorial and usually pick an area with a good thorny bush that they can impale their victims on. One strange fact about brown shrikes is when they sing, their beak remains closed and only throat pulsations are visible. Listen carefully here for that click and also a little short burst of mimicry. Do you know which common bird he's mimicking? Let me know in the comments below. Lanius cristatus luciensis. Now that's a mouthful. The second bird you see here I think is a first winter bird of the nominate race cristatus, or possibly subspecies Confucius. Being more uniform brown above, still with the black mask, but slightly duller and more of a creamy tinged supercilium. And with light scalloping and vermiculations on the breast and flanks. Well, that's it for another little video on the brown shrike, and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you know what the mimicry was, or if you have any comments about the species or subspecies of these shrikes. That's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.